Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to find when 3 power x minus 1 is equals to 7 and we have to find the value of 3 power x plus 1. So let's start with today's video. So 3 power x minus 1, I can write it as 3 power x divided by 3 power 1 is equals to 7, or I can say that 3 power x by 3 is equals to 7. So 3 power x is equals to 7 times 3. That is 3 power x is equals to 21. The value of 3 power x is 21. Now 3 power x plus 1. Similarly, I can write it as 3 power x times 3 power 1. Now I have the value of 3 power x, that is 21. So I'm going to replace this. So 21 times 3, that is 63. So the value of 3 power x plus 1 is 63. I hope it's clear. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.